Time to give these seagulls something. Can they have ketchup or no? Come here! Watch this. Watch. Oh no! Watch, watch. Come get it. You want it? Come and get it. Don't bite me though. Alright, fine. Oh, they're fighting. I'm gonna get in trouble with animal control. Man. They're on my car. Bye. Alright, get up! Go the hell away now. Hello. Hi. Well, that's it for you. There's fucking birds on the top of my car. Do you hear them? Hey! I'm that person. You hear them pecking at my car? Get off of my car, you little shit! You heard me? Yeah, right. You hear them? You hear their feet? Piss off!